I like to personally thank Credit Healing. I reached out to Credit Healing looking to improve my credit score for some of the goals that I've set for myself. Within a month, I got an email saying that my score had increased from a 647 to a 731. And so I want to give a big thanks to you guys for working with me. In the future, any credit, business, any other issues that I have, I'll come to you guys with. This is just the beginning.
The normal credit healing customer, is this you? Sick and tired of having derogatory items on your credit report and living with bad credit? Frustrated as your life is more expensive due to high interest rates and fees because of your low credit scores? Not able to fund your own business because your credit stinks? Been turned down for a job with better income because of your low credit scores? Afraid of spending thousands of dollars up front on a credit repair company while not being sure about the outcome? My name is Orel Muhammad. I'm the founder of Credit Healing LLC, and just like thousands of others that we've helped over the years, you found the right solution to your problems. You'll want to use our proven credit healing program because it will get you approved for business loans and higher limits on your credit cards, make you more eligible to purchase your desired home, lower your interest rates, cause you to be the more favorable candidate for higher paying jobs, and even reduce your car insurance fees. Now, you don't have to worry about not getting your money's worth, because if you don't see positive changes or deletions made on your credit file within the first 60 days, we will offer you a 100% money back guarantee. Our only concern is that you see positive results. Join thousands of other happy credit healing clients and live a prosperous life by healing your credit now.